Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and if you haven't already, please like, share, subscribe to this channel to help support me, and super thanks would be great. So anyway, here we're going to continue on with this mill, and we're going to look at, okay, there's a set of drawings that you use in precast. Now this drawing right here, it's going to be our embedment plan, and what this drawing does, it shows you all of the plates, the embeds that's going to hold these panels up. So these are strategically laid out. Basically, let me cut a section through this one so you can see this. Well, not now, but this is the embedment plan, and this basically sets out all the dimensions for the embeds. Okay. Yeah, I got a suit rebar in there. So that's how that is done. And, you know, they measure these guys. Okay, so next key drawing that is used is the key plan. Now, if I open the key plan up here, this drawing basically shows the panels and the plates, these connection plates here, as you can see. And this person, or this should have been a gap in here. This is a nominal 3/4 of an inch, or the panel are. But anyway, this drawings is basically showing the embeds. It probably should be a layout here. Let me see layout one. Nope, that's not it. Uh-oh. So anyway, this drawing here, this key plan, okay. But anyway, what I'm going to do now, I know what happens here in precast. These drawings are not going to show that dimension. They're going to be in the elevation. So I'm going to drop a new section in here. Or I can just open this one, actually. So there's a section right through there. And there's that connection plate. Let me see if I can put this in wireframe. So that's what's happening in there. That's that. Let me go back to consistent colors. Or maybe I'll cut it straight through the piece. So I'll go back to the embed, and I can go in any plan really. Let's go back to the key plan. Yeah, we'll cut it in this one because this drawing is really what shows the. Okay, now I'm gonna go pop that, cancel that. I'm gonna pop that around that way, and we can see what's going on in here with this connection. So let's change the scale to 3/4. So there we go again. Make this fine. So that's the connection between, let me make the shaded view so you can see what's going on here. So here's the connection between the base and the wall panel. Now, another thing you would know is the elevation. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go to my 3D view. We can turn this guy off. Let me go in our 3D view here. And so these are elevations, and then what's going to happen here is, let's go into our east elevation here. Okay, now here's where, uh-oh, they didn't get this one right. Let me see. So I'm going to have to do this, folks. I'm going to have to get this cleaned up here, measure these wall panels, because I'm sure they do. But as long as, let me see if I can do this right quickly. See, we need that dimension as well. So I have to finish these elevations up. You could show these in plan view, but I think normally they would do it in this view. I'll just drop that there like so. Let's go over to my north. Make this a shaded view. Even these vector connectors can be dimensioned. So everything in, so this is how I would do this. So I'm gonna just go here. I remember. We go here, this guy there. So when you highlight it, you can just snap it. I know y'all have seen me do this before. I don't want to bore you with it, but because I don't like, you can see making long videos. So here's that. So that's how that, there you go. So that's how you would dimension the panel and the gap. Plus you would have a regular piece ticket. And then going in this direction, I'm not going to do this whole thing. You would go from the bottom of the panel to the vector connector here. And there'd be another one there. And then to the top. Pull that over there. So that's how you would do your elevations. So quickly here, let's go look at the, let me see here, we got some, I'll tell you what I might do. I might leave that to the next video. How would you reinforce this? But let's go to the south elevation now. Oh my God. Put this back on shaded view. And the same deal here. You got an opening there, so you just go measure these. And then we've got other connection pieces. Now these pieces will appear on the piece ticket, if you know what I mean. But anyway, we'll get through that. But I want to go in and just want to show you guys, continue this on. So let me go from here to this vector connector, up to this one, and to the top. Okay. Just line it up right there. So you get the idea of this. Now you have partial dimensions or partial plans of the top. So that's another place that they would put the dimension for that. Let me see if I can go top here, level 4, top slab. So now these are part plans, and I can show you how to make these another time in another video. They can get a little tricky, but anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there. I just wanted to show you how we would dimension our grain mill and how the different drawings aspects of this. So basically, if I window tile this, all these. So you have your embed plan, which is this guy. And then you go with the key plan that shows you the layout of everything in place, the connections and the wall panels, and then you have your elevations. Well, that's not a completed one. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. It helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe and happy New Year. Bye.